So today's video is brought to you by my very own coffee, Just a Dad Simple Sip Coffee. It's available in a K-Cup, whole bean, and pre-ground 16-ounce bag. You can find it at justadadcoffee.com, or right underneath the video, you will see the products displayed and you click on them and purchase them right there. Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do an unboxing and a review on the Shark Rocket Vacuum Cleaner. So this is a corded vacuum cleaner. This is model number HV301. So let's take a look at it. When it fills up right here, you're simply going to take this to the trash can. This is how you empty it. Everything's going to come out. Now we can't take this any farther apart than this. It does have a filter right here. Once in a while you are going to have to clean this filter and this filter. So this one goes in first. If you do rinse these out, make sure they're nice and dry before you put them back in. Back here there is another little filter right there. Now this has two speeds of operation. You've got one is for bare floor and the other one is for carpet. Now it does have a wand here, but you can also connect this right to this. Now this has a brush that's going to spin. This would be great for cleaning stairs or something. We can disconnect it. We can put on our attachments. It comes with 3 different attachments. This one's kind of nice. It does rotate a little bit for getting underneath things. And again, here's the attachment. And then this is how you're going to attach the vacuum cleaner. Now, when you want to, this is how you store this vacuum cleaner. You're going to disconnect this because it is top heavy. There is a hook right here. You're going to hook it right there. Now, you're going to wrap the cord around this and this. This is how it's going to store for you, that it's nice and level. Now, one other thing. On this brush roller, there is an indicator. That's going to be green when the brush roller is turning at the proper speed. That's green. If it turns red or flashing red, that means you have a problem. Either it's stuck or something's not right. We can't open it up right here. There are some screws here. If you get a clog down in here, take this little piece off here. So let's see how it actually cleans on hardwood floors and on carpet. Okay, so I thought it did a really good job on carpet. Okay, so I'm going to put it on the first position, which is for bare floor. That did a really good job on hardwood floors. It even got really close to the baseboard there. Okay, so you can see it filled this thing up pretty good. Let's go empty it out. You're just gonna go to the trash can, press this button, and everything comes out. Again, it has 2 modes of operation. On bare floor, I went to the first position, and on carpet, I went to the second position, which speeds the brush roller up a little bit better, or a little bit faster. I do like it's got like a nice grippy handle here. It's very lightweight. I'm pretty impressed with how well it cleaned. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching. So thanks everybody for watching my video today. Underneath the video, if you could hit the thumbs up button, that really helps out my YouTube channel. Again, you can purchase all this coffee right below the video. You'll see links to them, or go to justadadcoffee.com. I really do appreciate everybody's support. Recently, YouTube just sent me my 100,000 subscriber plaque. That would not be possible without everybody's support. So again, I really appreciate it. I'm excited for this new adventure, branding my own coffee. It tastes really good, and I hope you're gonna definitely like it. Again, hoping somebody asks you what your favorite cup of coffee is. It's Just a Dad Simple Sip Coffee. And again, thanks so much for watching the YouTube channel. Also, be sure and check out my Just a Dad Videos group page on Facebook. This is where I do my free giveaways. So when I'm done with my products, I do a free giveaway on there, and you can kind of see behind the scenes of how I make my videos. Also, check out my podcast, Coffee with Dad Podcast. This is where I interview different people. I love to hear everybody's story, and I just think everybody has a story they want to tell. Hit the like, hit the subscribe button, and thanks so much. Miss Fiona always knows when I'm doing a recording.